Our second panelist is Shweta Gandhi. Shweta is an urban planner at AECOM in Dubai, UAE, and has over 3 years of experience in the UAE and the UK, and graduated with an MSc in Sustainable Urban Development from the University of Oxford. Shweta is one of the young urban planners and innovators from 103 cities, contributing towards advancing local dialogue, collaboration, and problem solving around Sustainable Development Goal 11 through the UN's SDSN Youth Local Pathways Fellowship Program. Welcome, Shweta. Our third is James Moore. James is Global Solutions Director for Cities with Jacobs, where he helps lead and expand the worldwide cities and places practice. He understands cities as complex integrated systems of systems. He promotes a comprehensive multidisciplinary planning and design process built on intensive data collection and analysis and broad-based community engagement, looking to balance the physical development of the built and natural environments with sustainable economic growth and continual socio-cultural advancement. Welcome, James. Our fourth panelist is Philippe Chiambretta, who is the architect founder of PCA Stream in Paris, France. After studying science and economics at the École Nationale des Ponts et Chaussées, Paris, and a Master of Science at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in Boston, Philippe obtained his degree in architecture in 2000. In 2001, he founded a PCA Stream agency around a multidisciplinary team of architects, urban planners, engineers, designers, researchers, and publishers, with the conviction that the traditional field of intervention of the architect must be widened. Welcome, Philippe. And thank you all for being part of our panel today. To begin our panel discussion, we have asked each of our 4 panelists to briefly present one slide in 3 minutes that captures some important aspect of the 15-minute city. And of course, the hardest part of this will be doing it within the 3 minutes. To help our panelists on this, there's a countdown on the top of the slide. Carlos has already presented his powerful idea, so Shweta, James, and Philippe will now present their powerful idea slides.
Hello, everyone. I'm Shweta Gandhi, and as somebody who's young and trying to understand how our cities work and how our industry functions, I would like to present my idea by saying for optimal urban integration, we need to start by taking small actions, which will result into massive changes. And that's what the 15-minute city concept is about, that we start by understanding how little things contribute towards making our future cities or our existing practices much more better. And from somebody who's coming from an architecture background, from planning background, and also who believes in the use of technology, all of this can be looked at as a closed loop, where we start by taking small actions where we already have established workflows, and those established workflows that define the way we've been designing or planning our cities can start incorporating aspects of technology using the 2 things that the 15-minute city concept promotes. The relationship between the time and space can be quantifiably measured. And once that is measured, we can move ahead and start looking at different aspects like the livability aspect, the walkability aspect, the aspect of having an informed microclimate. And that is my powerful idea, that for optimal urban integration, we have to start by taking small actions, which will in turn result into massive change. Thank you.